What's up, YouTube? Today is a special day. We are going to be getting the G35 wrapped, the hood in carbon fiber and the trunk carbon fiber. So let's take a look. Last minute. Black hood. And let's take a look at the trunk. Alright, so I'll give you guys an update as soon as I get it back and how it looks. Please make sure you hit like, subscribe, and comment down there. Alright, so we're on the way to Gooseman Customs. That's exactly the spot. Place is gonna be wrapping the car for the hood and the trunk carbon fiber on my G35 today. I don't know. I asked when I get there. I don't know how long this is gonna take. It could be an all-day thing. I'm pretty sure it probably might be all type of all-day thing or half-a-day type thing. So I asked him when I get there. But yeah, I'm super eager, super excited to see exactly how the car is gonna turn out. But the hood, I'm just hoping and praying it doesn't come out that like flat black look when it's far away, or like that flat gray look while it's away. It's $900+ for a carbon fiber hood for my G35. I'm not doing it. I'm also not paying Outcast Garage $1,100. That's my mom right there in the back, right behind us. And I'm also not paying that $1,100 from Outcast Garage for the trunk. That's crazy. I'm not doing it. Not doing it. So let's take a look if I can show you guys. That is my mom's G35 right there. I don't know where she's going. Actually, I'm gonna follow her. Rolling shots of my mom's G35. Alright, so we're about maybe like 5 minutes away. It's actually not that bad this morning. It's maybe about 60 degrees, 9 o'clock in the morning in Greensboro, North Carolina, so it feels pretty good. Let me type in this address, make sure I'm heading the right way. Yes, I am heading the right way. I'm outside in an AMG. And this new Drake is going crazy right now. TT, do you know me? I will be updating you guys as soon as I get my car back. I'm going to show you guys the place where exactly it's located in Greensboro, North Carolina, and then we'll get back to the video as soon as I get my car back. And hopefully it's a lot of flames in the comment section after this the wrapping, not the yuck emojis with the green throw up and stuff like that. All right, so I'm just waiting for this light. All right, I'm outside in an AMG TT. There you go. Take it easy. Now I got these 20-inch wheels on, even though I do not have my coilovers installed yet. Another day, another video. All right, guys. So here we are, Guzman Customs for the wrapping. I'm gonna show you guys a few of the cars and stuff like that in a minute, but we are here. So stand by for editing. I'm gonna do some editing and stuff like that, but like I said, I'm gonna talk to the ladies and the guys in there and get this bad boy wrapped. All right, so like I said, guys, we're at Guzman Customs right now, located Greensboro, North Carolina. That's the telephone number. Let's look at this sick BMW 6 Series right here. Clean wrap on it. Wheels look nice. I don't know if this is for sure the M6. Could be the GT. Not 100% sure. All right, then we got the Porsche right here, sitting on 14. And then we got new Jetta GTIs right there, new Jetta GTIs. But I just want to show you guys some of the cars that they work on. These are personally their cars. So I like this BMW color right here. It's different. All right.